How to send money from Chime to Cash App. What's up, everyone? In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can send money from Chime to Cash App. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Cash App application and make sure to log into your account. Then you can see the little bank icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, or if you have any balance on your account, it will show you that balance. And once you get to this page, you'll have an option that says Add Cash. So just go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll find this pop up on your screen to add cash. There are already pre-placed amount that you can use, or if you want to add a custom amount, tap on the three dots. And once you get here, you can type in your amount that you want to add and just go ahead and tap on add. And now on this step, you are just asked to add a debit card. Now you can just use your Chime's debit card, add your debit card number, add your expiration date, as well as the 3-digit CVV code. And once you've entered all of your information, tap on link card, and you should be able to add cash to your Cash App. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.